Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually update Samsung Galaxy Tab A6 using Odin app without data loss. Okay, first we need to check what is the current version of our software, because when it comes to Samsung devices, we can only install the same version that we currently have and every version that is above. It's simply impossible to install older version than our current. But you know, in this video, we want to perform an update, so it's logical that we want to get a newer version. To check your current version of the software, go to About tab, then click on Software Information, and here we have our build number, and that's actually our software version. In my case, it's T5A85XXS6CTJ5. Actually, that's the latest version that has been released, so I'm about to simply install it once again. Okay, so once we know the software version, we can power off our tab, hold the power button, and select power off. Now, on your browser, visit our page, HardReset.Info, the link is right in here, and go straight to download section. In here, type Odin, click on search, download the latest version, 3.14.4, simply hit the download button, and then type Samsung drivers, click on search and download these drivers. Okay, then open up a new tab, type SMT585 firmware. I highly recommend to use this page, samfw.com. Simply visit it, verify that you are human if it appears. We have our tab, and now click on the search bar and type your country or CSC code. I have the Polish version, so I'll type Poland, then tab, and in here we have all versions of the software that has been released. In my case, just like I was saying, I have the latest version, so I can only flash it once again. So select the version that we're interested in. And in here we have 3 download links. It's up to you which one you'll pick. I'll always pick the one in the middle. Okay, and then hit the download. In my case, everything is already downloaded. So I can open up the downloads folder, and in here we have the Samsung drivers, our software, and Odin app. We gotta extract those 3 files. You can use WinRAR for it, right click, WinRAR, and extract to. You can also click on extract all and extract, and it will also fully work, but I prefer to use WinRAR. Okay, and now we have our Samsung USB drivers, Odin app, and the software. First, open up the folder with your Samsung drivers and double click. We gotta install them. It's going to take a little bit, so we gotta be patient. Now click on next, next, and install. It's going to take a little bit, so we need to be patient. Okay, it has finished, so we can click the button. Also, if you are installing the drivers, Samsung drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the installation. So thanks to that, every driver will work properly. Okay, now we gotta open up the folder with the Odin, double click and launch the program. Click on OK. Now click on BL button, go to downloads, open up the folder with your software. We have clicked the BL button, so we gotta select BL file. Okay, now AP file. This one is going to load a little bit longer because that's the biggest file. Okay, now click on CP, select the CP file, and now really important part. Click on CSC, and you need to select Home CSC, because if you select normal CSC file, the tab will perform the factory reset and everything will be erased. We don't want that. We just want to update our software. So that is why we gotta select Home CSC. And now we need to enter the download mode on our tab. To do it, it needs to be turned off, and now we gotta hold the Home button, Volume down button, and Power button at the same time. So hold all three buttons, just like that. Now click on Volume up, and we are in the download mode. Now connect your tab to your computer by using the micro USB cable. I highly recommend to use the original cable. If you don't have it, you can of course use a different good quality micro USB cable. Okay, also in Odin app, our tab has appeared as these numbers under ID.com, and it's really important that we need to see those numbers, because if you don't see them, it means that something is wrong, the tab is not connected properly, and it may not work. So that is why it's good to, we need to make sure that we see those numbers. If you see them, everything is fine, and everything will work. Okay, every file is loaded, so now we gotta click on Start. The process has started right in here. It's loading, and now we need to keep waiting. Okay, it has finished. In Odin app, it says that everything worked perfectly. We can close it up. We can also unplug the cable. We won't be needing it anymore. Let me go to the full screen also. And now we gotta keep waiting. Don't worry that it says erasing. Everything is fine. After the loading, we won't have any setup process. We'll simply appear on the home screen. So we gotta keep waiting. Okay, it has turned on. As you can see, we didn't have any setup process or anything like that. We can simply slide to the upside and now our device is ready to use. If you want to verify the software version, go to the settings, then About tab, software information, and in here, if you are updating, you are flashing the newer version, you'll be able to verify it right in here. In my case, there is no difference because I already had the latest version and I had to install the same version once again. So that is why, in my case, there's no difference. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.